It be like say this my oil done ready. Make I quickly use and serve my first customer.
Madam Kate, the food never ready. Abeg hurry up, make I buy bread chop quickly come out here.
Are you playing?
Mr. Sani, not gonna worry me around 7 o'clock for morning. No. I don't tell you say I 8 in the morning with the open shop.
Abeg, you no vex, Madam Kate. As New Year don't start, I need to reach bank very, very early because I get plenty customer who I want quickly settle this morning. That's why I come early.
My people see me see trouble. Say I tell you say my shop be like bank. Anyway, beans go soon ready in the next 5 minutes. So you go need to wait too.
Madam Kate, no wahala. Abeg, once the food ready, let me put extra meat with pomo and 4 eggs.
No wahala, Oga. Abeg, after you chop finish, try make you no mess for my shop. If you want mess, make you quickly go outside, abeg.
Oh, Madam Kate, I been tell you say that day na a mistake na just accidental discharge.
What do you dey talk, sef, this man? Abeg, anything accidental discharge, make you dey do am outside. No discharging for here.
Oh yeah, I don't hear you. No wahala, Madam Kate. Just give me my food, make I come off for here.
Oh yeah, Mr. Sani, sit down, make I bring the food come like that. Be like say you go chop am half done since you dey in a hurry.
God. They don't finally release me. Since nowadays I sell throughout Christmas and New Year. Thank God.
Tom, for where you appear from? How come we no see you throughout Christmas and New Year? Oh. No tell me say na inside sell you celebrate the holiday.
Madam Kate, na long story. Just be like saying the only me they find for this town. Anything when I do, they must catch me.
Mr. Tom, no dey talk like that. It go better. And again, nothing go happen to you until you pay me my money.
Madam Kate, with all this problem why they face, you no even feel pity me.
Well, I beg, before we start to talk about pity, make you first clear all the gbese wey you dey owe. Your money na 37,000 naira now.
No worry, Madam Kate. I go pay your money very soon. You know me now, as a Lagos guy. No dey waste time, I go clear am.
Now, wetin you talk the last time when you order for food wey you dey inside sell?
No worry, Madam Kate. Just give me this one plate. I don't use and gather my strength. You get one work where I won't go do now. If I just do and finish, anything will come out, I'll come settle you for part of your money.
Abeg, make sure say you settle me, because you know say na money we dey take buy all this market where we dey sell.
No problem, Madam Kate. Abeg, quickly help me with beans 500.
Are you playing?
One pomo.
Oh yeah, Tom, no wahala. Quickly sit down, make I bring your food for you. Oga Sani, I never forget you.
No wahala, Madam Kate. How far now, Mr. Tom? Wetin dey do you? Why you dey hold your belly like that?
See trouble. Oga Sani, na me dey talk to like that. Wetin concern you with my belly? Is it your belly?
Photo.
Mr. Tom, no vex. Next time I go try mind my own business, yeah?
Better. They do as if you don't know who I be. You know me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy.
Abeg, Mr. Tom, Mr. Sani, abeg, una no fight for here. Food go soon ready in the next few minutes.
No wahala, Madam Kate. If not because of you, I for chop this guy now like lion.
Mr. Tom, you will be say Kwachoko don't nearly kill you finish. Which power you get you want to fight me?
Don't worry now, just wait first. Make I just chop these beans finish. If I die finish my beans, you go see action film.
I beg my friend, keep quiet. You don't fit do anything.
He don't do now. Don't tell me say he don't do. I beg. I know one wahala for my shop. Oh yeah, no could I eat our food? I beg. Customer, welcome to Madam Kate restaurant. Wetin you go like chop?
Madam, which kind of food you get for this your shop?
For now, only beans dey ready now. So make I bring and come for you.
Oh yeah, no problem. Bring am like that, I quickly chop. Don't gotta catch me for here.
No wahala, my customer. Just quickly sit down, make I bring and come for you sharp.
man.
Abeg, madam, who be this homeless man wey dey sleep for your shop now?
Customer abeg no mind am, yeah? They just release am this morning from jail. Him don tire well well.
Oya constable, quickly search all these people wey dey here. We must find the person wey steal that girl phone.
Yes sir. Oga Police, how far? I hope no problem. Wetin bring you come Madam Kate's bar?
Madam Kate, e get one criminal wey steal one girl phone. iPhone 15. You know say that phone cost well well. The person go dey pursue am, but we be like say he run enter this your shop.
Oga, abeg search o. As I dey like this, my hand clean. Na food I dey sell for my market here.
You think say you dey wise? Mumu man.
Young man, stand up for searching. Constable, check that other man for that side.
Oga,
Nothing dey their hand though. No worry, make I quickly call the number here. We'll see whether it will ring.
Oga, e be like say the phone dey ring for that side.
Come, constable, wake that idiot up.
70 years old man.
Oga, wetin dey happen for here now? Wetin happen again?
This
Oga, no do anything no. Shut up my friend. Oya, move now. Thank you very much my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.